What will you be?
Maybe you wonder what you'll be someday when you're all grown up. Maybe you'll be a surgeon whose patients are all sewn up. Maybe you'll be a baker who's famous for baking cakes. Maybe you'll be a physician who's famous for healing aches. Maybe you'll be a detective who solves the case with a new clue. Maybe you'll be a dancer who twirls around in a tutu. Maybe you'll be a lifeguard who rescues swimmers in swells. Maybe you'll be a policeman who puts bad people in jail. Maybe you'll be a builder of buildings so grand and great. Maybe you'll build computers and end up as rich as Bill Gates.